Gifts we would not miss out on as travel junkies.
For ourselves or the travelers in our lives.
Hi!
We are Peachy Passport best friends who love to travel around the world and locally. We're not quite bougie, not quite backpackers. I'm Ashley and I'm definitely different.
And I am Kelly, and a whole lot of neurospicy, but our diff abilities only pushed us to become more passionate about travel as a way to connect with people and gain perspective.
Over the years, we've had a lot of travel fails, a lot, but we've also had a lot of travel successes.
Oh, so trust us when we tell you we know what accessories are must-haves this holiday season.
From the newer explorers to that friend that is always out of office, here are 8 perfect gifts to grab this holiday season.
We thought with Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming up, this felt like the perfect time to grab these accessories. So we're starting off with a travel must for everyone. These will become your best friend. I don't care whether you are taking a weekend trip or a full month away. When you are living out of a suitcase, it is so easy to make everything a disaster real quick. These will help you stay organized and keep you from spending over 10 minutes to look for that perfect tank that was buried in the bottom of your suitcase. Packing cube. There's a couple different kinds, so depending on what kind of trip you have, these are the typical ones that you'll see of a bunch of different brands, and they come in lots of different sizes. Maybe a trip that you have to really cram a lot into a small suitcase, these will double up. So they start big and then will get extra tiny. We will put all of the links below and pray to the Cyber Monday gods that we are getting a real good deal right now.
It may seem obvious, it may not, but a travel adapter is an absolute must, especially if you're traveling abroad. You've all seen those movies where the main character blows a fuse, literally, by forcing a plug into the incorrect outlet. Let's try not to be those people. Personally, we love a universal, all-in-one travel adapter that is an adapter and a converter at the same time. Fewer items to pack, happier traveler. Plus, many of them now have USB plugs, so you can charge multiple electronics at once. It looks a little crazy, but it's a game changer.
Crossbody bags have been back in style for a while now, but this is more than just fashion. It is about function when we are traveling. So if you're in a city where you're nervous about pickpocketing, or you're on a hike and need to grab a food bar really quick, this is such a nice way to not just have to carry around a bulky backpack and search through everything. I do feel like it is a little bit of an American thing. It could look a little touristy depending on where you are, but who cares? It's about function, okay?
Hear me out. A microfiber towel. I've seen even the most seasoned travelers forget this one. Essentially a quick drying towel that packs up into a small pouch. Really comes in handy for places that might not provide beach towel. Or like the time I traveled to New Zealand in a camper van and had no access to bath towels. Or when I colored my hair purple and don't want to stain the pillows at the hotel, into a microfiber towel. The alternate pillowcase. You can grab these on Amazon for a reasonable price, and they fit in your suitcase without taking up the space of a normal beach towel or normal bath towel.
As an actor and content creator, I have been dragging lights, ring lights, full filming setups around the world. So trust me when I tell you that I have tried literally all of them. This one is hands down the best one, and I would love to show you, but I am literally filming on it right now. So it is sturdy, it's versatile, you can literally set it up for any shot you might need. And it has a Bluetooth remote, so you don't have to wait for a random stranger to come by to get a perfect picture or video. I am so glad that they have come so far with these sturdy little tripods so that I don't have to fill half of my suitcase with filming equipment. I'm serious, I literally used to do that. Oh, and bonus, this one's cheap.
As someone who has worked remotely while traveling, all electronics are with me at all times. We know that can get messy when you have cords coming out of every angle, but this is a game changer. It makes packing and unpacking truly so much easier and smoother. Gone are the days of unwinding your headphones from your phone charger and trying to like keep things separate and or like rush to get on a call. And it's handy because it's got kind of bands where you can kind of separate your cords, like your USB versus your computer versus your like HDMI. Maybe you're bringing that, and then over here you can put kind of like your little outlet cube, things like that, and then just like fits right in your backpack. It's like the packing cube for electronics.
I have the weirdest obsession with this travel hack. It is a pill organizer. And I know it sounds silly that can change your life, but it literally is, and I'm not exaggerating. I was able to fit every vitamin, every medication I could possibly need for over 2 months. It is so compactable, it holds so much. I also label mine. This can fit a million things, and it is also tiny compared to the long, bulky, weak organizers. They also have miniature ones, so if you're only going for a short trip and you don't need quite as many things, They have that as well. Everyone should have one of these. I will die on this hill. And I'm so glad I finally got to talk about it. So buy this for everybody you know.
So I love my raincoat. Not in an I want to wear it all the time kind of way, but it saved me so many times. I love you kind of way. There have been countless times where I've looked at the weather forecast before traveling, only to arrive and have it completely altered with a high chance of rain. Instead of having to buy an umbrella on site, my raincoat packs well, and it also serves as an extra layer. Temperature is chillier than expected. I personally love Columbia Sportswear. It doesn't break the bank, but it's good quality and gets the job done. So there you have it, our top 8 travel accessories to purchase this holiday season.
Check out the links below for our recommendations and preferred brands, and as the deals come rolling in, we'll make sure to include those links as well.
Did we forget some of your favorite travel must-haves? Comment below so we can check them out too.
Thank you for stopping by. Make sure to like and subscribe for everything travel. Not quite bougie, not quite backpack. And I'm excited to be friends.
Happy holidays!